Let's start with the Arduino IDE. Download it from the official website and install it on your computer. Next, add ESP boards to the Arduino IDE board manager. Go to Preferences and paste this link. Once done, head to the board manager. Type ESP. Down the list you will see ESP8266. It is OK to install it. We're done with the software things. Head to the Tools, then Board, ESP8266 boards, and click Generic ESP8285 Module. Alright, let's begin assembling things. For this task, I will use Breakout board with power board, some wires, and Cybercore X1. Bring your Cybercore X1 and attach it to your breadboard. Now for the wires. First connect the 3.3 volts and RST pin to power and the ground pin to ground. Here comes ESP8285 boot mode pins. Pin 15 goes to ground, pin 2 to 3.3 volts and pin 0 also. These pins are required to set ESP8285 boot modes such as normal running or new firmware flash. Now we can power our Cybercore X1. I will attach a micro USB and turn on the power board. Let's check if a Wi-Fi access point is available. Here it is. Select it and connect to it. We are ready to program our Cybercore X1 via OTA. Open OTA Sketch. Click Tools, then Port, and select Cybercore X1 IP address. We will update the code by connecting LED light to pin 12 and making it blink by using digital write and delay functions. I will turn off the power board and attach the LED to pin 12 via resistor. After, I click Upload and let's wait for a code to compile and get uploaded. Code upload is done. Great! Our LED is blinking and everything is working just as it should. Okay, that's it for now and see you in the next video.